Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the Ntorq and putting it in pairing stance. Ignition on, engine not running, side stand up for safety. Next, open your phone's Bluetooth or the Yamaha Y-Connect app so you can see new devices. Press and hold the scooter's Bluetooth or call button for about 3-5 seconds until the dash shows pairing. This lets the Ntorq broadcast its ID. Once done, make sure your phone is discoverable so the scooter appears in the list for the next step. You now select the Ntorq entry on your phone. Tap the device name, often labeled Yamaha followed by digits, and accept any PIN request. Manufacturers commonly use 0000 or 1234, so try those if needed. When you accept, the phone and scooter exchange credentials, so allow the connection and any permission prompts for notifications or contacts. Once paired, the scooter's dash will show a connected icon and the Y-Connect app will begin syncing data. This confirms both audio and telemetry. Finalize by testing audio. Play music or make a hands-free call to verify sound routes through the Ntorq speakers. Adjust volume on both phone and dash. If the link doesn't hold, reboot your phone and toggle the scooter's Bluetooth, then attempt pairing again. This clears temporary radio conflicts. If problems persist, remove old pairings from the scooter's Bluetooth list and repair. This resets stored profiles and usually fixes mismatched credentials. One key.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.